Good morning, Park Center Pirates. It's Mr. Anderson coming to you with our Week 4 preview video. There's going to be some new things this week. There's going to be some old things this week, but let's keep moving in the right direction. The Week 4 checklist is available at the top of our Week 4 folder. Below that is our Week 4 live activity materials. We've got an activity that we're going to do in person, and I'm going to kind of keep that under wraps until we get together in person. So come on and meet with me or your math teacher and check that out for an opportunity to improve some skills as well as get a little active and engaged in person during your scheduled class time. Below that, there are 4 video lessons, and those 4 video lessons are going to wrap up our appendix. Okay, we'll take what we started last week in the prior week, week 2, and we'll wrap it up completely. And below that is the assignment for week 4. It's going to have a couple problems from each video lesson, and that's just your opportunity to demonstrate what it is you know. Finally, below the week 4 homework, there's a week 4 homework quiz. We're going to have a couple questions loaded up in there that's going to open up at the end of the week as an opportunity for you to show what it is that you know. Let's go ahead and get after it this week. If you got any questions, you can reach out to me or your math teacher with just about anything. Otherwise, if you got something you need to write down, you can bring it to your live meeting, because it might be an easier option to ask and answer that question in person. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.